folks, this is Liu channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called the Chinese potato salad, and Chinese name is called 凉拌土豆丝. The main ingredient we need 2 to 3 potatoes, and we need 2 big or 3 small cloves of garlic, 1 dry chili pepper, and a pinch of Chinese peppercorn, shrimp peppercorn. And those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we peel the potato, peel the skin of this potato. Just use the peeler to get the skin of potato. You can keep the skin if you want. I just peel the potato. I already washed it. You can use any kind of potato, it's no problem. So this is the potato, yeah, it's pure like this. Okay, we cut the potato. We cut slice the potato. We cut it very thin, slice it very thin. Try your best to slice as thin as possible. So be like thin like this thin. Be very careful. Now we just cut very thin, as thin as the final cut, as thin as possible. So we be thin like this. We put it in the cold tap water, soak in the cold tap water. Soak in the cold tap water. This is the potato we get. We cut out 3 potatoes, and then we will wash it and rinse it to make the water is clear. Okay, we drain the water. Okay, add more cold water to rinse it, wash the potato, and make it more clear. Water is clear, so the potato won't stick to each other when we boil cook it. Process it won't stick to each other, so just wash it. Just rinse it until the water is clear. Then we just re-soak the potato into the water until we do the next step. Okay, the water is clear, so we re-soak the potato into the water, and for the next step to use. Okay, we add 2/3 of pot of water. Try to add much water, but not full, and we use it to cook the potatoes. So we turn on the stove and high fire. and it covers the powder until the water is boiling. Water is boiling. We added the drained water potato into the boiling water. Use a chopstick to that is all the potato soaked in the boiling water. This is the white vinegar. This is white vinegar. We add 1 tablespoon white vinegar to it. Mix it. Just slowly let it to soak in the boiling water, the high fire, and let it cook. Process it, and when the potato becomes soft, then stop and get the potato out. And then use a cold tap water to soak or rinse it. Remember, don't overcook. If the overcooked, the texture tastes not good and not crunchy, or it tastes a little terrible. So we just move it, and you can look at observe the potato, and when it's become kind of, you feel it's nearly ready, you can try it. This one's pretty close. Just cook probably 1-2 minutes. We'll try again. Very close. Don't worry, it didn't boiling, so don't worry. Even it's boiling, it's still okay. But you need to just watch it, make sure make sure that the potato is cooking. All potato get not connect, not stuck together. And don't cover the lid. Don't cover the lid. Just watch the potato and try it. When it's become crunchy and you don't taste the raw, then this potato is done. Because I'll just try it. It tastes very close. So I just cook a little, a few minutes. I will try it. Maybe 1-2 minutes. Then I'll try it. Try again. But don't let it become soft. Then it won't taste good. Let me try again. When you try it, by you feel the potato is crunchy and it don't taste raw. So the potato is ready. So we turn off the stove. We'll go drain the water. Okay, we drain the water. Just try to hold the container. Don't let it spill it. Try your best to do that. Potato already cooked and become crunchy. Just drain the water. After drain the water, we use a cold tap to rinse it, cool down the potato. So this part, cool down the potato. Use a cold tap water, and add the water to drain down and cool down the potato. We also can make if you have ice water, you can soak it in the ice water. It's also good. We just do this to cool down the potato. You just let the water go through the potato, cool down the potato. Okay, the potato is already cooled down. We turn off the water. Okay, we drain the water well good of the potato. Then we put it into the plate. Okay, this is our Sichuan peppercorn or Chinese peppercorn and 1 chili pepper we added to our grounder, to ground to pounder. We just put it on. Okay. We don't need it to become pounder. We just make it maybe just a little longer. Like this. Like this, we add on the top. Okay, this is the garlic we get. We squeeze the garlic on the top. Garlic. Garlic on the top. This is the salt. We add a half teaspoon of salt to it. This is the white vinegar. We add half teaspoon white vinegar to it. Don't add too much. This is the chicken soup based mixture. If you have it, you add. If you don't have it, you don't add it. Add a pinch to it. Don't add too much. Okay, turn on the stove. High fire. Put the pot on. This is the peanut oil. If you don't have peanut oil, just add vegetable oil or olive oil. Any oil is okay, but just the cooking oil. We add probably a quarter cup of oil to it, to the pot. Then heat the oil until the oil it become hot and can fry. We can add a piece of potato to see if the oil starts frying. When the potato start frying, it means the oil is ready. Now you can see the oil start frying. This is the oil. It's start frying. Just like heat the oil just a little longer. So the oil start frying. It means this oil is ready. So we turn off the stove. We add this hot oil at the top of the garlic and chili pepper and the Chinese pepper or scrambled peppercorn on the top. Now we mix it. Just slowly mix it with all the flavor and on the potato. And try. It's so good. So this dish is done. The Chinese potato salad, this dish is done. And凉拌土豆丝 is done. And I hope you like it. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.